that you'd have to pull, get Mr. X, and then reposition him, and then I'd taunt off
Is
you.
Hank back?
Did Hank leave?
Is Hank here?
He's
typed in
crafting.
Can't read. Remember that.
That's why I tell him every time.
I got him.
He may learn.
Damn.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Taunt.
3, 2, 1.
Peace out.
Beware.
Move. Green.
3, 2, 1.
Get these out.
Taunt.
Hide. Out to blue.
3, 2,
Bam!
1.
Taunt.
These out.
Wait, what?
I'm not sure what happened there.
Alright, well, you gotta reposition him, so.
Yep.
Beware.
Move.
3, 2, 1.
Taunt.
I don't know how you're ripping off me right now.
Get these out, please. And hide.
It might be that high threat thing again.
Free damage time.
3,
We're heading towards moon.
2, 1.
It's moon.
Guys, he'll walk into us with it.
Go right now. Hide.
That's so tilting.
Hide again. Go right. Dodge through these. It's like
We don't have the book.
hide. Still alive, so we're heading to orange. We're heading to orange.
Fuck.
Ranger or who?
Bam!
Orange is fucked, great.
Just reverse.
We
Taunt.
okay.
3, 2, 1.
This is fucked.
Fun.
Super hard.
Wait, turn around. Turn him around.
These out.
I thought we were reversing it. I guess I said.
This is reversed.
We're close to orange now. Everyone orange, near orange, near orange. We can still bait it correctly. Alright, go around to yellow.
Gotcha.
3, 2, 1.
These out.
Taunt.
And hide, just don't be like dead on it. You're fine. We're back out near
Did it
orange.
show wider?
2, 1.
Yeah, we can get behind it honestly. Get these out.
Taunt. Beware.
You just have to go right around this pillar. Go.
3, 2, 1.
Get these out.
Second, you look.
I'm good. Hide.
Same spot.
Free damage time. Yep.
3,
Where are we going?
2, 1.
I will be near moon.
You need a grip,
Fine.
Hank?
Okay.
Could be for
Let's go right. Fast.
can walk through the blood. It doesn't fuck you up that bad. If you ever need to, just do it.
I don't know why people kept going.
I wanted out of the stag.
You can keep hiding here.
We just do original position.
Yeah, original. It's still a little scuffed, but it'll work.
I got revival for this.
Taunt.
If we're in trouble.
3,
Do either of you have cooldowns
Spirit
up?
Shell's not gonna be on this one. You don't need
Minute.
revive.
I have rally in the tank.
Get off this.
50 seconds on Hootie.
Did one of you? Okay. Des, do you have
Innervate
cooldowns?
if you've got. Oh, he's dead. Fuck. Never
I got
mind.
everything.
Beware.
I got Innervate up.
Going
Innervate.
behind the pillar.
Move, move,
Triangle.
move.
Again,
3,
second
Is
pops.
this safe?
2,
Yes, it should be.
1.
Get these out. There's Sonar over there. I wish you luck, Hootie.
Taunt.
Good.
Great, hide. Hide.
Everything's fine.
Back to position.
3, 2, 1.
Get these out.
Beware.
Back to green.
Oh man, we're 2 minutes over raid time.
Oh,
Good job.
Overtime, believe.
oh, it lagged
I just
out.
DC'd.
No!
I just DC'd too.
Oh no.
Same.
Hell
Wow,
yeah.
it wasn't meant to be.
Here's
Man, our screenshot.
Give me the loot. Give me the loot.
Fuck all.
That's fucking great. It's hard DC'd us all for killing.
Frost said that happened to this guild too.
Fucking gold. I'm pissed.
Good job. It'll probably be